The 2014 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, keyless entry. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.